The DJ library is an extremely important thing for a DJ. Essentially, this is what makes or breaks your DJ set. So having the right kind of tunes that will decide the course of your DJ set is important. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your DJ library, where to get your music from, and how to know what music you need. Whether you're a beginner DJ or a seasoned DJ, there is something for everyone in this video. So do not skip this one and watch till the end. Hi, my name is Bhamra and I make videos about DJing and tech. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing. Alright, I'm gonna give you 5 tips. Now let's start with the first tip, and that's the most important thing, the quality of your tracks. Make sure the quality of your tracks in your library is top-notch. There are many file formats for audio, but the two most popular ones are MP3 and WAV. So if you're going for MP3, make sure you're going for 320 kbps, not 128, not 256. Now between MP3 and WAV, MP3 is the most popular file format. It's the perfect balance between quality and the size of the file. You may also go with WAV. The quality is definitely better, but not many people notice it. The downside to this file format is the size of the file. So my recommendation would be to stick to MP3 320 kbps if you have a large audio library. If you've been DJing for a while and you already have a DJ library, I would say go ahead and check those tracks out first. See if you have any track which is below 320 kbps. First, update that to 320 kbps. If all your tracks are in good quality, your DJ library is off to a great start. Tip number 2 is downloading the essentials first. This step is primarily for open format DJs who plays for private parties, weddings, and clubs. As a DJ who plays for such venues, having the essentials is extremely important. Now when I talk about the essentials, make sure you have the most popular tunes first, the top 40 stuff. Then you gotta make sure that you have the tried and tested evergreen stuff. Songs like Stayin' Alive, Summer of '69, Dancing Queen, you know what I mean. After that, make sure you have the flow fillers, songs that instantly fill the flow or encourages people to join the dance floor and start dancing. So these are the 3 playlists you definitely need. Oh yeah, for you wedding DJs, there's one important tip I want to give you. Make sure you have a playlist which has all of the celebratory stuff, the happy birthday song, songs for the cake cutting, songs for the bridal entry, couple entry, and all of those songs that are required for a very specific kind of an occasion, like a wedding. Now all of these are your essentials. Tip number 3 is to have genre-based music and DJ playlists. As an open format DJ, we are expected to have a lot of music spanning multiple genres and to be able to play at different kind of events and for longer hours. So downloading music across multiple genres should be the next thing to do. So I suggest you create playlists of the most popular genres first. Hip-hop, R&B, deep house, tech house, Afro house, house music in general, create a pop playlist, create a retro music playlist, genres like rock, rock and roll, 80s, 90s, that kind of stuff. Then you also need Latin, reggae, dancehall, etc. Choose the genre that you will play the most and download music of that genre and add it to your playlist. Now that you know what you need to build your DJ library, the next step is to source all of this music. And for that, I recommend DJ music pools. DJ music pools are websites that have music from many DJs around the world who upload it into the website, and you as a DJ can download it from these websites by paying for a subscription. If you don't have a lot of knowledge about this, a great place to start is BPM Supreme. BPM Supreme offers DJ-ready tracks and music from different genres in clean and original versions, and also platform exclusives you can't find anywhere else. BPM Music has exclusive tracks and remixes from some of the top remixers and DJs around the world. You can also get curated DJ sets, exclusive playlists, and also genre-based search and downloads. So you can download music based on genres that I mentioned earlier in this video. BPM Music continuously updates their libraries, so taking a subscription of this service is definitely worth it. If you're interested and you want to give this a go, please go ahead and use my coupon code DJDeepSupreme for a 25% off for the first 2 months of your subscription. The link is also in the description box below. Now for the next tip, make sure you have active active and conscious music management system. This point is about making sure that your DJ library is efficient. Now, when I say efficient, I mean making sure you don't have a lot of duplicates, avoiding duplicates of the same tracks in different folders, and make sure your track names are corrected, meaning your track names are clear and doesn't have irrelevant words and symbols. And make sure your playlists are organized, sorted in order of preference. This will make sure your playlists are clean and clear so you can find your track when you need them. Little things like these go a long way. Having a DJ library that's efficient and organized will make sure your DJ career and you as a DJ is very professional, and it'll also leave room for you to work towards being creative while performing, because you don't have to think too much about where your music is and how it is. It's all pretty organized, everything is done, your homework is good, so when you're performing, you can be more creative than normal. Tip number 5, and also the most important one, is make sure you have backups. Backups are extremely important. You have worked so hard as a DJ to collect all of that music and then organizing it so well. So making sure having a backup goes without saying. Having a backup will make sure that when you lose your laptop and when everything else fails, you can still have a new laptop, install the software, and then restore your DJ library, and everything will be back to how it was. Stay safe, guys. So there you have it. These are my tips on how to build an efficient and a top-notch DJ library. Of course, there are many more things that you can do to build your DJ library and make it even better, but I feel these are the basics and this is where you can start from. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today and that you guys got to learn something new. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you like my content, you can also follow me on Instagram to see a lot more things that I do. That's it for this one. My name is Deep. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Happy to help. See ya.